everyone, it's Catherine again, here with Coupon Cart Club, just with a quick unboxing, unbagging video. I'm so excited, I can't wait to get started, so let's get into it. Hi everyone, it's Muffins.
Hi everyone, it's Catherine again.
Originally $6.99. When you come this, it's Free Stuff Friday. Alright. So I've been waiting for this little item to come. Someone ordered this for me for Mother's Day and I was so excited. I've been like waiting to get it. And I received the package in the mail. I haven't had a chance to open it yet, so I'm going to be opening it with you guys. It's not really a box, but it's in a bag. But as you can hear, it has all the great wonderful things that I'm so excited to be opening up. So I guess let's get started. This is a little difficult to open. I might have to get some scissors. Good thing I have them with me. Alright, so let's get these bad boys going. If you guys can't see it yet, I can. So I'm going to let you guys know as I'm opening it. This is the Hip Dot collection by the one, the only, Spongebob SquarePants. So Hip Dot and Nickelodeon made a SpongeBob collection. I'm dropping everything. And a lot of the stuff that they have. Ooh, do you love that bubble wrap? I love doing the poppy thing. Do you guys like doing that? I like doing it too. It's my favorite part. And they came together. They did a few things, a few items that they put together. Ooh, that's so cute. I can't wait. Oh, it does come with that. Alright. So I'm excited. I took all the wrapping off. Okay. And I'm going to show you each one piece by piece. The first one we're going to be talking about is the Sandy Cheeks Blush and Bronzer Palette. The Sandy Cheeks Brush Bronzer Palette. With this blush and bronzer duo, you'll be glowing brighter than the moon beam down on your girl's night out. Wow. As long as you're right. So, you know, Hip Dot made this palette. I've seen it online a couple of times. And they had, like, they didn't really, it was like $100 and something, and I was like, oh, I'm poor. I cannot really afford that stuff. But I was like, once it went on sale a little bit, I was like, oh, this is good. Maybe I shouldn't have used my same finger, but, let's see. You can see a little bit. This is the blush. Maybe I'm not really good at this. As you can see, those are the blush bronzers. So they have like a light pink and a light brown to bronze it out, which is really good. Whew, kind of like that. That's nice. And it comes with a really good mirror. I was watching one of those videos for people who do unboxing themselves, and some of the things that they do critique on is like what kind of mirror a palette or like an item comes with. And this is actually a really good mirror. It's like one of the mirrors that you buy from like a regular store, not the cheap mirrors that you can't really see any type of reflection on it. So it's really good. I like that though. Alright, next is the Sandy Cheeks 4 Shades Highlighter Palette. Ooh girl. Ooh girl. Yes, life. This is life. This is life in a basket right now. Alright, so the highlighter palette said, hee-haw. This with this highlighter quad inspired by the roughest, toughest squirrel in Bikini Bottom, you'll be looking hotter than a huggy smoked sausage and even happier than a June bug at a porch light sale. So I'm so excited about this. Ooh, wait, let's open it together. Sorry. Yes, check that out. That looks great. I'm gonna take this little reflector off so you can see it. So it does have a few shades. Let me see that. Ooh. Oh, this is nice. Oh, girl. I love me some highlighter. Like, as you can see. I'm gonna put it a little closer so you guys can see. Look at that highlighter. Wow, that's good. That last shade isn't really good on my skin because I'm a little tanner. So as you can see, this one isn't really good for me. But that's okay. They're doing good. I know you guys can't really see it on camera, but it's looking really blinding. Like the second one is perfect for my skin tone. But I guess that's why they gave the 4 different shades. So you can see the difference between the highlighter tones and whatever you can use. But I really like this one. This is good. Alright, the next is the Jellyfish 3-pack lip gloss set. Girl, I don't even know if I'm going to be able to open this. Okay. Look at this. This is an icy blue. I don't know if you guys can see it. Can you see the icy blueness? It's an icy blue. Alright. Can you see the blue? It's like really pale in here, but if you could try to see the blue color, it's really nice. It's an icy blue. Let's see if I can put it. I don't know if you guys can see that. Can you see that? You can't really see it on my wrist. Let's try it again here. It might be too light to see as a blue, but that's alright. It's okay. It's gonna look good and better. And like, I think it's better for like darker lighting because the lighting is so bright as it's supposed to be. You can't really see the shade itself. So this one is it's called Sea Stargazer. All right, let me check the color for the other one. Sorry about that. This one is called Coral. The light blue one is called Coral. This one is called Sea Stargazer. So you can definitely see this one. This is a pinkish color. This is probably supposed to be like Patrick Star. The Starfish one. Let's see this. They are all glosses, so not sure if you'll be able to see all 3 of them. It kind of doesn't really have a smell, but that's okay. That's all good. I really think that these are cute though. Oh, I think I'm gonna like this one. I guess this is supposed to be Spongebob. What is this? Feeling Pineapple. Ooh, girl, I think I'm gonna like this one. This is nice. I think I'm gonna like it. I think it has like a gold shimmer to it. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's kinda. Let me see. Let me place it on my skin so you guys can. Yeah, like there's no smell to it. But you guys can see it a little better. There's the gold, the pink, and the blue. The blue is so like light you can't really tell in it. But I think the pineapple one, Feeling Pineapple, is probably like my best one. I really like this one. Good job, Hip Dot and Nickelodeon. You guys did a good thing. The Jellyfish 3-pack lip glosses says jumping jellyfishes. Puckerfish won't have a thing on you with this set of jelly jam packed with 3 tubes of lip gloss. The shade names is Feeling Pineapple. That's what it said. Feeling Pineapple. Coral number 5 and Sea Stargazer. It's so cute. I really like it. If you guys definitely want me to do a makeup tutorial with these products, just let me know in the comments down below. I will be excited to do it. Let me know. Alright, and the last one is the Bikini Bottom eyeshadow palette. Yay! It does say on the back, Bikini Bottom eyeshadow palette. Get hooked on these 15 shades from the deep blue sea, inspired by your favorite yellow sponge, SpongeBob SquarePants, and all his friends. Let's just say everyone on this side of Bikini Bottom will have their eyes on you. I think that's really great. Okay, so this one is cruelty-free, vegan, paraben-free, phthalate-free, mineral oil-free. It does take 12 months to go through its process, its cycle. Oh, all right. So look at it. I took it out of its original box, and now look. Now you can see all my mess, and look at that mirror. That mirror is good. This is a good mirror. This is a really good mirror, if you guys can see. But the palette itself, look at those colors. That is amazing. I'm going to try to put these on my arms so you guys can see the colors. But these are really good. They look really good. Let's check this out. I think the pigment is like really, really good. I'm going to stand up a little bit so you guys can see it. So you can see me trying to like swatch it and put it on my arm. So you can see how the pigment goes on my shade. Because usually some of these palettes, like the feature palettes, like when they're working with somebody else, they're usually not too good. But I know that this red is going to be the bane of my existence. Because usually those colors are like strong. Ooh, that's a good one. This Angry Tentacles, that one is gonna be really good. It doesn't look so good on the camera, but on my skin it looks so good. I'm really bad at the swatching things, so I kind of did the first 2 rows. Oh, that purple, that meow 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 meow, this one is really good. You're about to see it right now. Let me get another color in there so you guys can see. All right, so I did the first 2 rows, as you can see. Oh my gosh, they're really good. Like, look at those colors. Look at that shimmer on there. That meow meow is my favorite, and my second favorite is the Angry Tentacles, which is kind of like that blue color over there next to the gold, which is like right here. Oh, it's really good. I really, really like it. Let me try to get this last row out of the way so you guys can see like the greatness of it. I'm gonna try to switch to this side, my good side, as you can see, the good side. Because I'm running out of arm room here. But let's try this rock bottom. This is a rock bottom color. Oh, I think I'm gonna like that one. That one's good too. This one is called Deep Sea Blue. For people who know me personally, I like blue colors. So that's why I was like so impressed with the Blue Bloods palette that I unboxed. There's this golden pineapple. I know this is gonna be good. There's like no marks on that. I knew it. I don't even know why I bought that. I knew it was gonna be good. The next one is Blue Lagoon. So it's this one here. That one's a good one too. And last but not least is Advanced Darkness. Advanced Darkness. Alright, so this last row has got to be my favorite. Because all jokes aside, let me try to show you. Bam! Do you see those colors? I'm gonna try to get it closer. Just my arm a little bit. Do you see those colors? These colors are amazing. Like, look at that. Well, I should have put it on this side. Fail. But these colors are amazing. Look at that. The range of those colors and the glitter. It looks so good. You can see the marks on my fingerprints. But yeah, as you can see, I think that this is really great. I'm gonna try to go on this side so I can get a little closer. Get a little closer. Look at my arm. There you go, camera. Focusing all good. Look at that. That color is so good. The pigment is so good. I know these reds are gonna be hard to take off. They're really good. And this pineapple, the golden pineapple, that's really gonna be my super favorite. So when I'm doing my stuff, like when I do my makeup, that is definitely one of the things I'm gonna be doing, like being a part of, right, in my life. All right, but there is actually one more item that came in, this beautiful Hip Dot Spongebob Bikini Bottom palette set, which was only $55. I am not sponsored the house, but I was really excited to pick it up. When somebody, like, I originally was gonna pick it up myself, but somebody said they were gonna order it for me for Mother's Day. So I thank you so much for you doing that. I really do appreciate it. But the last thing I want to talk about is the Patrick's Spa Day. So it's a conditioning and nurturing face mask with seaweed and hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid? I'm pretty sure I'm saying it wrong. Please correct me in the comments down below. And it is cruelty-free, vegan, paraben-free, salt-free, mineral oil. It has mineral oil. There's no need to dive down to Bikini Bottom to hydrate and refresh your face when you can relax with these seaweed extract face masks with hyaluronic acid featuring Spongebob and Patrick. So yeah, this is pretty cool. I really like this. I can't wait to try all of this stuff out. As you can see, the eyeshadow palette is always going to be my favorite thing. Alright, I had so much fun reviewing all this and unboxing. If you guys do want me to do a video actually putting my face together with all of these products, that means I'm going to start with the face mask. Then I'm going to get all cleansed, get my makeup on, then add a gloss. Just let me know in the comments down below. Other than that, I thank you so much for listening and watching. For my friends who would like to join my Facebook group, I'll have the link down below. And if you want to have a digital meeting, we normally have them every Tuesday. All you have to do is send me a quick email at couponcartclub@gmail.com. Alright, beautiful people, I hate to say it, but you know I have to. I will see you guys soon. Alright, bye.
So I forgot to talk about that, and I seen a few of these stickers that actually came with it. So Hip Dot actually sent me these. This is a paintbrush by Hip Dot. This is so cute, and this is like a champagne bottle. And then this is just a Hip Dot tie-dye with their logo in the background, which is really cute. I thought this was so cute. It came along with the purchase, so that's really nice. I just forgot to talk about it, so I'm going to place it here at the end of the video. And let me know what your thoughts are. Ooh, look at that.